Okay, lawn fans, you ready? Take a look what we got here. We got rain, we got a nice green yard, and we have tons of humidity that has settled in. And this humidity is going to be with us here for the next few days. We've got stormy nights coming in, which means late in the day storms. Rain's going to sit on the lawn, and humidity and a lawn that's got rain on it overnight, that's a great combination for fungus to set into your lawn. What did I do? I put this, it's a hose end sprayer. You just screw this onto your hose, you turn the hose on, you spray the whole yard, you walk away, you leave it. This is propiconazole, okay? That's one form of fungicide. Here's a granular. You spread this out on your lawn, you water it in, and you just leave it. That's a second form of it. There are many other different types of forms. I suggest that you go online, look up a fungicide chart, and you find all the different types of fungicides that are out there. You don't want to use one fungicide over and over and over. You don't want to go to the store and buy 6 of these and think that's got me for the summer. I got a great deal on them. Because what will happen is that your lawn will build up a tolerance to that. The fungus will say, it's not affecting me anymore. I don't care about it anymore, and it won't work. So you want to rotate products in and out. And that's why I've got 2 different ones here. I did a preventative treatment today by spraying this. I hope to prevent any fungus from coming in. If I wanted to do a curative rate, then there would be a different rate. For instance, preventative is setting 4, curative is setting 5.5 on this bag. It's totally different rates. So make sure that you're rotating these in and out and that you're using that chart to see what different type of chemicals that you can use. Other than that, these products say they last about 4 weeks, a month. So you don't have to put them out, but if you're trying to be preventative, you maybe can stretch that out, stretch the product out to last a little bit longer. That's it. I knew I had these storms coming in. The lawn's looking great right now. So I wanted to get something down at a preventative measure to try to keep this from having any fungus happen in it. Got any questions, comments? Throw them down below. Bermuda Brian, out.